Hey Sky fam, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the car. Cairo's in the back, and he's not asleep. So me and Jada went to Popeyes so we could try this infamous chicken wrap, and we got the chicken wrap. I got traditional,
and I got honey mustard.
Right, and we got the blueberry
frozen lemonade.
So I didn't get my own lemonade. I just got an extra cup because I know I'm not going to really care for it. So I can pour a little bit of hers in mine. So I can try it. I'm sure it's going to be. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That's good. And let's try this. Put my straw in. Chicken wrap.
Oh, I think this one is the honey mustard.
Jada got
it got pickles on it.
Popeyes love pickles.
Yours, if I'm not mistaken, should have
nothing.
I think that's mayo.
Okay. I have prayed. Mine is not. Honey. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's a chicken sandwich. I'm sorry, a wrap. It has pickles, lettuce, and cheese. And
the only thing we're missing is tomato.
No, we're missing onion.
No. So the chicken in here is it's a little chicken tender.
Okay. So I'm gonna wrap mine back up.
Oh, and we also got a small side of fries.
We didn't get a small side of fries. She got a small side of fries.
I got a small side of fries.
Okay, let's see.
I like Popeyes fries.
It's hot. Like temperature hot. Okay.
That's good. Mine, since I got the honey mustard mixed with that pickle.
Oh, I like this, you guys.
The chicken tender could have been a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Or they could have put two.
This is good.
Okay.
It's really good, y'all.
This is good.
Head over to Popeyes and try this out.
Y'all, run, don't walk. This is good. Now, I like anything that's like wrappy, salady, you know, stuff like that. So that works for me.
Now, this is great.
Oh yeah, I like this.
I definitely want a tomato.
I thought I ate the whole wrap. Danger. Okay.
Comment down below who do you guys think has the best fries?
Between,
it can be Popeyes, it can be KFC, they got the wedges, McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Wendy's.
my two top favorite fries is Freddy's out in Fairfax. They have the potato stick fries, you guys. And Chick-fil-A. Oh, I forgot to drink.
You might not like it. I like it. It's good. But it's sweet.
It's way too sweet. Ooh, Lord. But let me take one more bite of this. I done ate the whole thing.
So finish what you were saying. Freddy's and who?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
I like the Freddy's because it's the potato stick type, and Chick-fil-A because of this, the waffle. That was good. You definitely need to have more than one, or see if they can put
2 chicken tenders. Extra piece of chicken.
Can I have a napkin? Yeah. Yeah. That was good though. Okay, go ahead. Chicken. That was really good. And let me see how I'm gonna feel later. Because I ate chicken. Yeah. You definitely need something else with that.
Fries. I think my favorite fries are Checkers.
And what's your second favorite?
Probably Wendy's.
I feel you, Stank. Yeah.
It used to be Burger King, but they fell off.
Yeah. Burger King fell off bad. Now, this frozen drink from Popeyes, it's good because it's frozen and it's hot. But the flavor, it's bitter and it's sweet at the same time. It's bitter and it's sweet at the same time. But the chicken wrap, definitely go try it out. It was really good.
I rated it 10 out of 10.
Me too.
So
It was just,
the lemonade too. I like the lemonade.
Okay, that's fair. I think the wrap is definitely a tease. Maybe that's why they have a bundle thing going on where you can get 2 wraps and a drink
For $9.99.
for $9.99, and it's probably because
They're so small.
they're so little. They're little. You definitely will still be
hungry
after eating one of those. You definitely will be. But yeah, that was good. It went quick though. It went quick. All right, you guys, that's going to end this Popeyes chicken wrap and frozen blueberry lemonade vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Hit the bell. Hit the bell. Hit the bell. And stay tuned for more upcoming content. Bye, you guys. Peace.